my gang, yeah, cool. Boys, ne hard, yeah, cool. Step on set, one fight, that's one body, yeah, joy, yeah, cool.
Yo fam, what's up? This is your boy Autog YT and I'm here to face the fans on MX24GH in here.
Where my G's, yeah.
Growing up, I wanted to be a footballer, but some stubbornness and things, so my mom told me to, yo, stop this, then come to the house and help me. So
I love Chris Rich.
I listen to plenty music, but I really like drill and hip hop. Yeah.
Getting my packs and building my bones, yeah. On the road coming, you found back up, me know we coming. Young good tracks, yeah, I'm killing your dummies. Went to me for this, that time coming. Yeah, I'm on guard, wishing a grave for my dog.
Okay, I would say it was Kwesi that made me start music, Kwesi Arthur. So, all time Kwesi. African boy with a big drip, yeah, I grind for the big pick, big moments like I'm a big fish, big stage G with the day ones. Charlie, stardom. I don't even know how to put it. It's kind of stressing, happy. I don't know, but Charlie, stardom is kind of a good thing and a bad thing because you can't even roam about like at first. You see that vibe. Oh yeah, of course, when I hard work too, you can say something. Yeah, because we all worked hard for this thing.
Your face, you're gonna feel it. Slide in the middle like Grealish. My next six bigger than my previous. Red lights looking all greenish. Fake niggas call me blood, I get squeamish. The boy's just way too bossy. Double play.
Of course, because it's a good one. It's a good one. I don't know, but it's a good one.
Where my G's, yeah.
Oh please, no beef, no fish, no egg.
Yeah. Huh?
Africa. Could have been me, could have been you, could have been me, my brother. Yeah, hey, things got worse. But me too on the chest, don't feel no shame, don't feel no pressure. Feel the heart with pain and pressure. Oh my God, yeah. Oh no, they never got love, they never feel love for our brothers.
Coming, I'm dealing with gold, yeah. One test, yeah, breath, yo. Getting my packs and building my bones, yeah. On the road coming, you found back up, me know we coming. Young good tracks, yeah, I'm killing your dummies. Went to me for this, that time coming. Yeah, I'm on guard, wishing a
Okay, it was like a magic thing, you feel me? I woke up to it. When I woke up, they said, yo, Stormzy wants to jump on your song. I said, okay, I'm down for it, because Big Mike is a huge one.
I grind for the big moments like I'm a big fish, big stage G with the day ones, no place. Spinner. Grind for the money, no girls, no hoes. Came as a food and 10 so gold. My mom made it, see I'm gold.
Everyone. As far as you do international, I will work plus you on God. Oh yeah, of course. Everybody they put in the work, so we could come.
On the remix, you don't live the life, you just dream it. Don't mind them boys, they don't mean it. If I slap your face, you're gonna feel it. Slide in the middle like Grealish. My next six bigger than my previous. Red lights looking all greenish. Fake niggas call me blood, I get.
Okay, right now it's nothing, cause I'm not really in there. You see, I'm now coming. I think I'm about putting it.
Where my G's, yeah.
Yeah, I'm single. For now, I'm dating music.
I love Chris Rich.
A big artist.
On the ones and twos, my bros. Young boo coming, I'm dealing with goats, yeah. One test, yeah, I feel. Getting my packs and building my bones, yeah. On the road coming, you found back.
Okay, I would say a big thank you to everyone supporting our talks movement. Keep supporting. I get plenty of things coming. You just support and pray for me. I'll pray for you too. So, thank you very much.
Ice on my gang, yeah, cool. Boys in the hard, yeah, cool. Stop on set. One fire, somebody, yeah, Joe, yeah, cool. Yeah, I grind for the
On the ones and twos, my bros. Young boo coming, I'm dealing with goats, yeah. One tia cyber feel. Getting my packs and building my bones, yeah. On the road coming, if I'm back home, you know we coming. Young boo threat, I'm killing your dummies. When to me for this, that and coming. Yo, fam, what's up? It's your boy I'll talk right here, and I just faced the fans on MX24 GH Charlie. Hard questions, but you see, we still there.